Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 249 and a half Main Street in Mill Hall, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor apartment with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. And before I stand here and talk all about it, I'm going to take you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today, and this means outside the apartment and not our normal outside in the neighborhood. Mainly because you have a flight of stairs up here, and then you have a flight of stairs in the back, and y'all, you don't want to listen to me heavy breathing. So we're going to go to this back entryway here, and let me just open this up. The front entryway, by the way, is always open, and the mailboxes are down there. Now this is a shared entryway, but you've got a great little parking lot back here that you can use for off-street parking, and then a nice set of stairs that lead you right up to this common area here. Now we are going to come inside today, and we are going to come directly into the living room and dining room area. It's a cozy space. It's got great windows right here, and you've got enough room to set this up for whatever your uses are. And we're going to go right into the kitchen here. Just a cute little galley kitchen with full-size appliances, and I love that you get the full appliance package even in a smaller place. We're going to come right into your bathroom. This is a massive space. You have a huge bathtub, a nice tall shower head for those tall folks, obviously your toilet facilities, your vanity, and what's this? Well, let's take a look-see. Oh my goodness. We have a washer, we have a dryer, we have a lighted area, and a great little rack right up above there to be able to organize everything you need. There's also space in between here. Just put your vacuum cleaner in here, put your broom and your dustpan in here, and voila, you've got a winner. Now let's go back through here and visit those bedrooms. We're going to come into the first bedroom here. You have a nice amount of space, very easily could fit a king size bed and additional furniture. And then you have a nice fitted out closet. Y'all, look at the shelves in here. It's amazing. Little cube storage, all that good stuff. Now this here, just because we show everything, is your water heater closet. We're going to come into this second bedroom, equal size, a little bit brighter because you do have a window. The other one is interior. So if you're a second shifter, third shifter, go over to that bedroom. Otherwise, you've got a great little window there, nice wide window sill. You got a lot of privacy, so you technically wouldn't even need to worry about putting any kind of a curtain in there, maybe just some plants that can catch the sun. And then you've got, again, with a fitted out closet with the shelves, and then again, the ample space for a king bed and additional furniture. Well, how about this cute and cozy place? The literal only thing that's missing is you. So what you need to do to call this home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, we kind of love that too. So give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because no matter what you do, we are anxious to help you make this home.